Welcome to our channel Ayushi Aditi Card Zone. Let us see the demo first. Please make sure to click on the red subscribe button which is just below the video. It would really mean a lot to us. Also press on the bell icon to get notification of our new videos. Let's get started with the tutorial. Take a cardstock or a pastel sheet. Now we have taken a scoring board to mark the dents. The link to buy this is given in the description box below. Also, if you don't have this, you can use a ruler instead to mark the dents. The above left corner image shows you how you have to divide the page and mark the dents. So you can simply use a ruler and divide the page accordingly. After marking the dents, you have to fold the dents like it is shown in the video. Now we have taken a white sheet that will be converted into a box. Now you have to mark 4.8 cm wide dent all over the boundary. Like we said before, if you don't have this scoring board, you can use a ruler directly to mark. Cut it in a rotating motion like shown in the video.